Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in your Quotex app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So if you want to log in your Quotex app, what you need to do, all you need to do is simply tap open the Quotex app itself, and once you open it you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap in the country you are connected from, your email address that you had used to create your account, and the password of your account. Once you do this, you need to tap on the login to account option and simply get logged into your account. So once you tap on the flag icon where is written you connected from, then you can select any of the country that you belong to and continue as per your preference. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.